238.
238.
We check on the possible accident, property damage at 1 Bristol.
374-238.
238.
Can I get photos?
Received. 238 photos is in rear travel time.
Received. The vehicle in question is possibly a small gray sedan. No direction of travel.
Received.
Should have extensive damage to the front.
Received.
374-212.
212.
That vehicle's on George Street, 4 Hotel, Bravo 61. I'll get you a number in a second.
Received. That plate's active to a 2004 gray Toyota Corolla to a Jared Atkins out of Ors Ave in Hyannis. No on 35 on the adult.
Received. The car's in front of 61 George Street.
Received.
Everything all 10-4 on your end? All 10-4, I can give you a 6.
Go ahead.
I'll be standing by to help out on the Bristol call if you can show me off.
This shit is
Received.
fucking bullshit. No, this is my family's house. If I park here, you guys have no right to fuck with me. We've been in bed for hours. You guys showed up out of nowhere and started blaming us for moving a car that we haven't even touched. I am appalled. The Grandmaster Masons of the whole entire island are gonna meet with me, and I'm gonna have all you fired. Fuck with me. I'm done. You guys wanna fuck with the travelers? Go ahead. 30-degree magazines die, and they give their rings to me in reverence. And you guys wanna fuck with me while I'm trying to live with my woman? Fuck you. I ain't nobody's fucking servant, and I don't bear witness. I will have you all brought up in Superior Court in the fucking... My brother works for National Security. I'm done with everything. We're laying in bed and you guys are chasing us on our car we didn't touch. No?
Come here, Tucky. You need to stay in the house then. Stay in the house. If he comes out again.
Received. The vehicle in question is possibly a small gray sedan. Should have extensive damage to the front.